Hello everybody, this is Itay Verchik, and in this guide I'm going to show you how you can apply the option to register to your website without using any plugin at all. Okay, so in order to be able to register to your website, you have to log into your admin account, and on the dashboard, after you've done that, you can add the option to register, and right here below the login form you will be able to click on the button and see that it has been created, the register account that you can create. Of course, you will see the register button right here on the side of the lost your password button. Just log in, and right here on the dashboard you can see on the main menu you have settings, and below that general settings. Click on that, and here you will see the option to add the register membership to your website. Here below you see that you can add the option that anyone can register. Just click on that and save the changes. Now of course they will be able to register as a new user by the default role of a subscriber, not as an administrator or an editor, and so on. So they won't be able to do any changes on your website, of course, and even that bots will register, they won't be able to hack your website. This is important. Now let's log out and see the changes on the login page. Now as you can see, this button has been added, the register button. If I click on that, I can also copy the URL and put it on the website on any button I want. Any user can click on that and he will be redirected to the page of the registration. Just right here. Of course you can edit and design it, but with using a code or any plugin that can edit it. But now it's not the issue, of course, we will discuss it on different guides. Now as you can see, you can register with using your username and email, and then you will be able to reset your password and log in to your website. And this is how you do it. As you saw, it's very easy to apply the registration to your website without using any plugin at all in WordPress. If you have any more questions, you can write it down on the comments below and I will comment, and on the first comment I'm putting the link to my full guide on my website. And if you like this video, you can like, subscribe, comment and share, and good luck.